because you only have one highway to transmit the sensations. So we're kind of hacking her nerve highways right now. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Barrett. We're doing an exciting facial resurfacing today with a CO2 laser. It's a luminous, very high-powered laser. So CO2 laser is great for laser resurfacing of skin, acne marks, pigmentation, and so forth. She's had numbing cream on for the past 45 minutes, and now we're going to inject a lidocaine so that she doesn't feel this as much. And then we're going to get started with the laser once she's nice and numb. We're going to do a combination of active FX and deep FX. The deep FX is going to work on these deeper acne scars here. So this is what is going to go full penetration. All right. Now we're doing this motion, you guys, is a theory called gate theory of pain. If you do, your body will sense the proprioception or the movement more than pain if you do it at the same time, because you only have one highway to transmit the sensations. So we're kind of hacking her nerve highways right now. So the CO2 laser works by making tiny little micro channels, and what's going to happen over the next 6 months is the results just keep getting better and better. So this whole area is going to build collagen, is going to tighten up, all right? So that's the advantage of the deep FX. Great. So now we're going to switch to active FX, and active FX works on the superficial layer of the skin. What we just completed was deep FX. The superficial active FX is going to be the resurfacer. It's going to get rid of all those fine lines, those fine little wrinkles, and a little bit of pigmentation. Test that out right now. I'm going to do that one more time. So you can see it's testing on the wooden spatula. We've got a beautiful pattern. We have a really nice pattern here on the forehead going all evenly, consistently. Now we're about 80 millijoules, so that's a pretty high amount of power. But all of this area was previously numbed up. Now we're going to do the cheeks, the lip, the chin. There's a checker pattern that I'm doing right here, and that's really important because if you have a clear line going into the neck, people will notice that. This is really important to kind of paint this area so there's no clear demarcation line of where there was laser and where there wasn't. It is the Obagi Skin Health Hydrating Cream. We use this after our lasers. So that's it for our CO2 laser, you guys. We did a total combination resurfacing for our patient here while she's awake. It can be done while you're asleep or while you're awake. And we did a combination of active FX and deep FX. The deep FX is for the deeper scar tissue, and then the active FX is for those superficial lines and those wrinkles, all right? So luminous ultra pulse laser is the most powerful laser, and she's gonna have an amazing result, 7 to 10 days downtime, but her skin is gonna be so youthful, so tight, and much improved compared to where she started, especially with the minor acne scars that she had. So if you want to check out more information, check out my website, drdanielbarrett.com. Don't forget to leave your comments, questions, feedback right here on my YouTube page, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see cool stuff just like this.